here at Russ's Gold Garage, and this is my flat track bike that I've had for about 1.5 years now. I figured it was about time to change the oil in the primary and the oil filter. And there's a couple little tricks about these bikes that I'm gonna leave it over here to my boy Jimbo to kind of walk you guys through. He's an experienced Harley technician. And just some basic informative skills that like anybody can do this. But there's a couple little tricks and techniques that he's going to teach you that makes it a little bit easier and safer.
All right, today we're changing the primary fluid and the engine oil on Thaison's Hooligan bike. The primary on this particular bike has 1 quart of oil, and it's a different type of oil than what's used in the engine. It's known as Formula Plus. It's a gear and a wet clutch specialty oil. We drain the oil with a 5/8 socket, and your drain plug's right here. And being that we didn't have a derby cover gasket, this is your derby cover here, we went ahead and just pulled the chain inspection cover, and we'll fill it in through here. It takes 1 quart. That's for your primary and your transmission. This is a separate compartment from your engine oil. This is the reservoir for the engine oil. This particular engine is what's known as a dry sump, so the engine is kept in a remote reservoir. And on this particular bike, you're looking at about 3 to 4 quarts, depending on how well it drained. And on this particular bike, it has a plug that's attached to a line that drains the remote oil tank. So just drain it and fill it back up. When draining the oil that'll come out from the oil filter area, you can stick a little homemade catch in there to pull the fluid out and into a catch basin. This is just one of the quick tricks and tips to keep the whole engine area from getting soaked in oil. When replacing your oil filter, you want to make sure that on the new filter, before you put it back on, you put a dab of oil around the sealing ring so that for future maintenances, it comes off easily. And this is one part that we just want to go, about hand tight, snug. We don't want to over tighten it because it's going to be replaced on a pretty regular basis. Here's a few of the tools we used to do a quick fluid service. 5/8 socket, a 4mm Allen to pop off the primary chain inspection cover, a pick to pull O-rings off of your drain plugs for the primary. Here's an oil filter wrench for the oil filter. 20W50 is the recommended oil for this particular bike. Formula Plus, that's our transmission primary fluid. And finally, don't forget to get out there and enjoy your bike. Have a good one.